Hey guys, welcome back to another YouTube video. So in today's ASMR, just kidding, we are leaving Maui right now and we're hopping on the next flight back to Oahu. Let's go to Electric Beach! We just got done snorkeling at Electric Beach. It was awesome.
We snorkeled for a while and then we rode these like jet pipe underwater things where you just get like pushed out. They're really cool.
It's crazy. Because they have a plant right here. They have like a pipeline that goes like all the way out and it's like a little gust of water, I guess. It's just like pushing out and it pushes, you can like dive down and then it just pushes you far away.
Yeah. But then it gets all like there's such a rip current, so it's kind of freaky.
This is the coolest thing ever! What up? You have a fun time?
Very fun.
Now we're gonna go back to the hostel and we're gonna try to make it back for the hostel hamper. One of our friends, they host this little thrift shop basically.
As if we
so
need
cool.
more clothes.
Yes. Okay, so we just made it back to the hostel and now everyone's just changing and getting ready for the hostel hamper for tonight. We're also cooking some dinner, whipping it up, chefing in the kitchen. Look at that. We're gonna have egg quesadillas. Yeah. Perfect.
So yeah, basically hostel hamper. Yeah, you can see it right over there. You also see a beautiful sunset because we do live in the most beautiful. Wow, this is some nice lighting.
This is some nice lighting.
Tour time of the hostel.
Basically, this is the common area, and then there's all these little cabins. It's
And
pretty cool.
I clean every single cabin.
These little cabins hidden by all these trees. They're pretty cool.
This is my home. Here, follow me. This is the staff cabin. Only staff is allowed up here. So bye, Coley. No, I'm kidding. And this is our home. You can come inside. Just don't leave it alone. Home.
This is home. This is kind of what my home looks like too.
It's just way less cool.
Yeah, way less cool because this is the staff cabin where people have been here for a while.
The best one.
Oh,
No, I have it. I hate
the
you.
shingle urchin.
No. I saw a Reddit for it.
And you're watching Disney Channel.
Dun, 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 dun.
Oh, look at
Oh
that.
my god.
I feel
Look
like
at
it's like a fake background.
Yeah,
Like
this is insane.
this looks so cool.
This is epicness. Yeah, all around. Epic sauce.
I swear it is real. It is not fake.
Yeah. This is the life we live in.